Hi everybody, welcome to this tutorial. Today we will have a special guest, which is my sister, Liza. Come on up. This is Liza, and we will be doing makeup on each other. And first I will start. First, you want to start with a very, very dark orange, the shade of this. A little darker, and you want to take it and brush it, and brush it, and brush. And it adds a very good sparkle. And then we move on to the other eye. And then we will take a dark gray, blacky gray. Take it, close your eyes, and brush it on the top. And it adds a very, very good sparkle, like I have said. And that is the first eye. This one. And then moving on to the next eye. And the same, add the dark orange, which you've seen we already have, and just have a darker shade. And then add your gray black. And that is the final eye look. And then next we will grab our cheek brush. And you could take any color you would wish. And today I would take my brush. Pinkish. We have peach and pink, whichever one you want. Just brush it. I got that makeup from Christmas. This year, yes. No, not this year. Oh yeah, last year, I think. Yes, last year. And that is the first trick. Moving on to the next cheek. Look at me. Brush, 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 brush. And that is that. Then add your lipstick on through it. You need lipstick so you can get the final touch on your lips. Exactly. If you have this kind you see right here with a little like hole, all you do is you push it out and you put it on your finger. And brush. And there is the final look. And now today she's gonna do my tutorial for me. The brush I put away. And I will put this aside. I'm doing that different. So first, we're going to add like this, like peaches or oranges style to her eye. There. And you have to carefully do it so it doesn't rub all over her eye like I did.
I can't see it much.
Yes, it's more like peach.
And today she's just gonna put it right down here.
And then we're starting with the other eye, but we're gonna do the top too. Okay, and now with the other line, we're going to get this greenish from the blue aisle. This like greenish that helps like see this. Look at this is the color it is.
But just a little like greener and darker.
Yeah.
And you can see, as I did on hers, I did not use blue because blue has
a little more.
It has five shades, and I think a couple the same. And then like the gray we have 2, and like the orange we have 3, and then like the other 2 colors. Those are the ones that are alone. Oh my word, he's off.
I know.
And when she's done, I'm gonna help her shade in so it could look good and more, I don't know, stylish, the word is. And in just a second, she will be done after this shade.
Okay, and
now I'm gonna help her shade in the color.
And then we're gonna start with this like pinkish that she did to my cheek.
Or she can do a different color to be different.
More than
different sisters.
Yes. But we're just gonna do some pink today. Doesn't have to be too pink, but I don't want to. It's just perfect. Just need like 2 more because I didn't really get the shade in.
And once our father comes back from the church, from homework, he would like this like fabulous look on his face. Would I don't know. It's just.
And now we're gonna be starting with the one that Hazel was on. We have this like second one.
You can use any type of you want, but at least pink and a light.
It's a diamond.
It's like it's this very smooth type.
That you can't believe.
And all you have to do is just take your finger and rub it in the middle.
That.
And then you rub it on your lips.
Yep. And that's what I'm gonna
Or an easier way to kiss your lips. I'm just saying. And then like you can rub them in it. I think that's what it's made for. I think.
Let me just get a little bit more so it gets on your lips. You see, we'll still just.
And you see, she will keep rubbing it on
until like we get this like shade with the smooth one. The lips are kind of bit bumpy, but it's okay if they're bumpy.
That's because they're dry.
And this one's not as bumpy as the bottom one. It's just a little winkly. The other one was bumpy. And here, this is the look we have.
And I hope you have a wonderful day.
And I hope you have. I'm going to make a tutorial so we can look at it too.
I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.
Bye.